how to set up business account for TikTok ads. So what you're going to do is you're going to visit TikTok for business over here, and we're going to register our account. So registering is very simple. Simply enter your email and password over here. So let's simply select our email and let's enter our password so we could get started. So there we go. You could also sign up with TikTok over here if you prefer. So let's click on our checkboxes over here and click on sign up. After this, we're going to do some confirmation. Let's simply select our similar shapes over here. Click on confirm. And then over here, you're going to enter a confirmation code with the email that you have utilized. So if you also utilize your phone number, that could also work. You could also utilize your TikTok account if you already have a TikTok account. So let me just get my code over here. Get us started. So my code is FM87YR. Here we go. And now we will then begin our setup for our account. So there will be some instructions over here. There we go. So you're going to enter your business name. So let's say Coffee Caesar over here as our business name. And then if you have a website URL, you're going to enter that. For the industry, select the industry that you're under. So for example, we're under games. Your country and region, you're going to select the specific region that is available in the list over here. Your currency, your time zone, of course, and then your mobile phone number. After that, you're going to click on the different checkboxes over here and click on continue to proceed. And after this, you will then be able to easily access business, the business side or the business user for TikTok over here. Now, after entering those information, we should then be able to proceed to our next step, which is the creation of our campaign. Now, in the campaign, of course, this is where you will then be able to create your ads. So let's wait for our screen over here to load. And as you can see, we are now able to access our TikTok Ads Manager and use its different features. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.